In this video, we demonstrate rough cutting window film from the roll. Rough cutting window film is easy and saves a lot of money on do-it-yourself window film installation. Aside from measuring your windows and ordering film, rough cutting is the first step in window tinting. To rough cut window film from the roll, you need a tape measure, a window film cutter, a roll of masking tape, and your measurements. Before cutting any film, prepare some tape to hold the rough cut patterns in a roll. Fold the tape onto itself to form a tab. Tear off a few inches and stick it somewhere close by. Cut the film wherever you're comfortable. A bench, a table, the floor. Plan each cut to minimize waste and make use of a factory edge. Installing is easier when you can line up a factory edge to the window frame and eliminate a trim cut. Make the rough cut patterns about 2 inches larger than the window size. The extra inches make it easier to position the window film on the glass and trim it to size. If the pattern size has a dimension close to the width of the roll, just pull out the length of film you need and cut it off. Roll up the pattern with the liner inside, being careful not to crease the film. Secure the roll with tape, and the rough cut pattern is ready for installation. Depending on the window and roll size, it may be necessary to trim or slice the film. To trim and slice film, measure from the end of the roll to the required dimension and insert a window film cutter into the box. Expose about 1/2 inch of the blade and push it through the box, then extend the blade out about 1.5 inches. Hold the film with both hands and pull it through the knife to size. Cut the film off the roll. Roll it up, secure it with tape, and it's ready to install. Do it yourself with window film from idealtint.com and save 100% or more over retail installed tint and nearly 50% off the high cost of pre-cut window film. No other seller beats idealtint.com on quality, price, or service. Get professional window film, fast service, free shipping, and pay no added sales tax. At idealtint.com, the price you see is the price you pay. Compare our bottom line prices to any other seller and see for yourself how much you'll save. If you need help or have any questions, call us Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Time at 951-600-1515 or email us via the contact form on our website. Idealtint.com is #1 for do-it-yourself window film.